Smells good, but I'm kind of nervous. I'm tired of boring chicken. I know you are too. Let's try and make some. Teaspoon of pepper. Thyme, one of those. Well, okay, more than one. Oregano, 1 tisp of basil. One of those. It should be, there it is. Sage, 1. And then 1 nutmeg. That smells pretty good. Looks like a good powder. Let's get the chicken out. Let's open this up. A little bit of olive oil. I start with the bottom, with the ass. Sprinkle from higher. I'm gonna air fry this tonight. No batter, no deep fry. Rub. Rub-a-dub-dub, this chicken is my grub. Snoop Dogg ain't got nothing on me. Oh, maybe a little bit. Can you see that? I'll bring you in. Watch, if I season from here, oh, I'm seasoning from up here, it's like, oh yeah, now we're talking. What does Gordon Ramsay say? More color, more flavor. I think he says no color, no flavor. Boom! That skin is going to shrink. It shrinks, there's shrinkage. Air frying is not cheating. Air frying is working smart. I wanna go sit my ass down on the couch. I don't wanna have to worry about being over the stove. Set it and forget it. In the air fryer it goes. It's air fried chicken. Oh yes. It smells great. Ah! Ah! So hot. Boom! The nutmeg has some good kick. Look how hot that is. That's why I burned. It air fried it perfectly. Inside, everything's perfect. The skin is just that nutmeg. Let me try again. So hot. I burned my mouth like fuck. Update on the chicken. It was so good. That's all I have left. There's a lot more bones than there is full chicken thighs. Combination of sage and nutmeg is actually pretty good, so I'll definitely make this one again. Boom.